Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to turn off sensitive content on Twitter, also known as X. Unfortunately, there's no way to do this in the mobile application, so you'll need to use an internet browser. Go to x.com and log into your account. Once you're on the website, click on your profile icon in the top left corner. Then scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down again and select Privacy and Safety. After that, click on Content You See. At the top, you'll see an option for display media that may contain sensitive content. By default, this option is usually unchecked. If you want to view sensitive content, make sure to tick this box. Now scroll down to Search Settings at the bottom. At the top of this section, you'll see Hide Sensitive Content. Make sure this box is unticked. Once you've updated these two settings, you'll now be able to view sensitive content on Twitter. And that's it! If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing.